In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with bugs in Jira. We'll walk through the basic process of creating a bug, filling in the key details, assigning it, and then viewing it in the list. This is a simple workflow, but it's an important one because well-documented bugs make it much easier for teams to track issues, prioritize fixes, and collaborate effectively. To get started, go to your Jira board and click on Create. This opens the issue creation window where you can enter all the information for the new item you want done. Once the form appears, look for the work type field and select Hot. This tells Jira that the issue you're creating is specifically a bug, rather than a task, story, or another issue type. Choosing the correct work type is important because it helps keep your project organized and ensures the issue follows the right workflow. Next, select the status for the bug. The status shows where the issue currently stands in the process. Depending on your team's setup, this could be something like to do, in progress, or another available status. Pick the one that best matches the current state of the bug when you're creating it. After that, type the summary. The summary should be short, clear, and specific. Think of it as the headline for the bug. Anyone scanning the board or list should be able to understand the issue quickly just by reading this field. Then move on to the description. This is where you provide more detail about the problem. A good description helps teammates understand what's happening and why it matters. Keep it clear and direct so the person working on the issue has enough context to begin investigating. Next, select the assignee. This is the person responsible for handling the bug. Assigning it right away can help avoid confusion and keeps ownership clear from the start. If your team has a standard process for bug routing, follow that here. Once all the main fields are filled out, click on Create again to submit the bug. Jira will save the issue and add it to your project so it can be tracked like any other work item. Finally, click on List. This lets you switch to a list view where you can see the bug you just created alongside other issues in the project. This view is useful for quickly reviewing created items and confirming that your new bug was added successfully. And that's it. That's the basic process for working with bugs in Jira, from creating the issue to viewing it in your list.